Hello, and welcome to LabVIEW 2020. Uh, when you first open up LabVIEW, you'll get this little splash screen here, and it says LabVIEW 2020, create a project, open existing, all that stuff. Um, this version is LabVIEW 2020. I don't know which version you guys will use, but it'll be pretty much the same thing as this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hit Create Project, and it's going to think about it for a little bit. Then this window pops up. I got all these different options, and they're all different things that we're not going to really go into too much in this class, but if you get involved in LabVIEW, you'll probably use. So I'm going to hit blank project and finish. And there it is. There's my blank project. And so this is going to be where you would put all of your important things, like different hardware will show up here, multiple programs will show up here, and they can all be lumped under one project. But for our purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to create a new file. So I go up here and I go new. But what I want is a blank VI, and I'm going to add it to the project. And what VI means is VIs are they're the actual program in LabVIEW, and so VI stands for virtual instrument. And so when LabVIEW was first being created, the idea was to get rid of the bench full of diagnostic equipment and replace it with a computer and some sensors, and so that you wouldn't need oscilloscopes and function generators and voltmeters and all this specialized equipment, that you could just basically take all that equipment and turn it into software. So it's VI for virtual instrument. So I'll go ahead and hit OK, and you see a couple things happen. But what I'm going to do, got a couple windows here, so I'm going to hit Control T, and that puts these two important windows next to each other. The one on the left over here is called the front panel, and when you run a LabVIEW program, this is what the user will see. And then over here on the right is the block diagram, and that's where your program is actually going to live. And so user will see what's over here on the front panel, and the programmer will put all, which will be you, will put all of the important stuff over here in the block diagram. And this one, and we'll talk some more here in a minute.